Stardust Diamond. Thank you, Mother Earth, for being alive every day. Thank you for breathing this beautiful Mother Earth. Thank you for the roof over my head. Thank you for food. Thank you for water. Thank you for clothes. Amen. I am beautiful. I am handsome. I am smart. I am creative. I am confident. I am strong. I can adapt. I can grow my own garden. I can manifest a better Mother Earth. And I can treat others the way I want to be treated. So be a peaceful Mother Earth. Amen. Thank you, brothers and sisters. I am Stardust Diamond, sending you lots of love, light, healing, and protections to all. Thank you to spirits and angels and guides for the beautiful messages and the beautiful cards for the beautiful souls that are watching the reading. Thank you for joining. Today, we are going to do the beautiful card reading. The knowledge cards, animal spirits, 48 beautiful hand-painted beautiful animal spirit cards by Susan Sudan Belay. So much gratitudes. Thank you. The knowledge cards, animal spirits, to the ancients, all things and natures have scared our spiritual meaning. The world was inhabited by the higher beings that took the form of fantastical creatures that were part animal, part human, and exceeding powerful. These beings are the spirit guides who lead the departed to the next life, heal the sick, and restore balance and harmony to troubled world. The tribal healers knew the animal spirits well. They journeyed beyond the threshold of ordinary reality to invoke the power of these great beings. The beautiful 48 hand-painted beautiful animal spirit cards by Susan Sudan Belay reproduced in this deck resonate with the ethereal energy and speak of the language of the soul. Each image is accompanied by a brief description of the animal's power, symbolisms, and the virus of cultures. I only read the positive stuff here, so if you hear me go silent, that's me skipping the negative, only the positive stuff. And I also did additional meaning for these animal spirit cards, so all your animal spirit cards have additional meaning. I have done more research to add more information onto the beautiful cards. So thank you, brothers and sisters, for joining. First, I'm going to read the symbolisms of each of the animals, then the information on the back of the card, then I will do the additional meaning, and everything's all about energy with me. So the stones and the people watching, everything, energies is what I picked. So thank you for joining these beautiful card reading, and enjoy. Alright, let's get started. Oh, exciting. Powerful animal spirits for powerful souls that are watching. Such bless. Excited. Alright, let's do our first animal spirit. Our first animal spirit of the reading is the leopard. Leopard is your first animal spirit. The symbolisms for leopard is stealth, strength, purity, power, courage, and determination is the symbolism for leopard. Now here's the stone that I picked for the leopard. Leopards are phenomenal hunters, known for their stealth and their ability to stalk prey. The snow leopard, which lives in the mountains of Central Asia, is among the more mysterious of species and was believed to have maintained its strength and purity. That is it for the leopard. Now let's read the additional meaning for the leopard. All right. Here we go. The additional meaning for the leopard is the leopard spirit animal. Can also teach us the importance of being resourceful and mindful of our surroundings. Seeing a leopard in your life means it's time to pay attention. That's your first animal spirit, is the leopard. Our next powerful animal spirit is the raven. Raven is the next animal spirit. Raven symbolisms is creations, magic, elimination, strength, protection, wisdom, transformation, love, peace, and spirituality is the symbolisms for the raven. Alright, and here is the stone for the raven. Let's read the back information. Is the raven is frequently associated with the powerful magic and omens. Its symbolism parallel that of a coyote and the rabbit in Native American myths, and is worshipped as a deity. The Handa and Tillit people of Western Canada and Alaska revered the raven as a hero and a helper of human beings, a role reflected in the bird's prominent position in the totem of Northwest. The raven is believed to have placed the sun, moon, stars in the sky, bringing light to the people both day and night. Beautiful. I love reading that. Alright, we'll do the additional meaning for the raven. Alright, additional meaning for the raven is when a raven totem has flown into your life, it signifies that magic is at play. Raven ignites the energy of the magic's intention and will. Great changes can be achieved at this time, and dreams can become a reality. The raven will show you how to walk into the dark corners of your inner conflicts, buried deep within, opening the doors to the deepest power of healing to be within our grasp. That is the beautiful, powerful animal spirit, raven. Alright, our next powerful animal spirit here is the goat. Goat's our next animal spirit. Now we'll read the symbolism for the goat. Caprice, mischief, sexuality, fertility, and focus is the symbolism for the goat. Alright, we'll read the information on the back for the goat. The Greek satyr was part goat and part man, and represent likeness, mischief, and caprice. The goat was also a symbol of Pan, the woodland god of the flocks, fertility, and nature. Pan was lusty deity, whose emblem was the phyllis. Pan was the thighs of early scapegoat. Russian peasant folklore tells of a similar mischief forest spirit, the Leshii, Leshii, which had goat hooves and horns as well as black fur, wings, and tail. The Greek god Dionysus was also frequently represented by the image of the goat. Someone with the Dionysian character is considered frenzied, lawless, or possessing orgasmic propensities. That is the animal spirit for the goat. Now let's do the additional meaning for the goat. Goats teaches you how to navigate rocky territory with ease while teaching you the joy of being a kid again. Goat. So we're doing our first 4 powerful animal spirits, and then we'll do the next 4. So the fourth one here is the snake. snake is your next powerful animal spirit. Let's read the symbolisms for the snake. Transformation, healing, sexuality, rebirth, and strength is the snake symbolisms. All right, we're going to read the back of the information for the snake. Here is the stone that I picked for the snake. The snake has been given numerous symbolic qualities over time and across cultures, from sexual compassion and clairvoyant qualities to the cycle of life, death, and rebirth. Poisonous snakes have been associated with transformation and healing in many Native America belief systems. The poison is thought to activate primal energy, which is manipulated correctly, can cure rather than kill. In the Middle Eastern epic Gilgamesh, a serpent acquires the flower of everlasting youth, which allows it to shed its skin and be reborn. This painting titled Rattler is the snake dancer. It represents a character from Buffalo Gals Won't You Come Out Tonight, a story written by Ursula Quay Le Guin and illustrated by Susan Seldon Belay. So much gratitudes. Yes, some of the paintings do explain. All right, now we got to read the additional meaning for the snake. All right, the additional meaning for the snake is a powerful symbol of transformation and regeneration. It has been revered worldwide as an emblem of life force, represent the potential to heal from within and emerge stronger than before. The appearance of a snake spirit often marks the beginning or end point in our journey towards growth, when we are called to navigate challenges times with newfound strength. Allows the snake to be your guide on the path of the personal transformation and inner healing. Snake. All right, let's do the next 4 powerful animal spirits, and we're going to start off with the swan. Swan is the next powerful animal spirit. Beautiful hand-painted pictures. I love it. All right, this is the swan. Now, the symbolism for the swan is transformation, beauty, healing, and wisdom is the swan. Now, here's the stone for the swan. So this painting of a swan maiden represents a common motif found in mythology and folk tales of many cultures around the globe, from Native America to Slavic. All through the story varies from place to place. The basic plot is the same. A young man finds a robe of the swan maiden, goddess-like creature, which she has temporarily shed to assume a human form. All through, the youth attempt to hide the feathers from the maiden, which allowed him to possess her. The swan finds its feather, assumes its animal form, and leaves the youth. The lost swan thy symbolized departure of a youthful innocence and the passage to maturity. In some versions of the story, I can't read that part. All right, we're going to end it with the positive. So the lost swan thy symbolized departure of youthful innocence and passage to maturity. Let's read the additional meaning for the swan. I only read the positive stuff. All right, here we go with its stone. Trust your excuse me. Sorry about that. The swan, trust your instincts. Swans encourage you to relax and go with the flow, and to let yourself be guided by your inner wisdom. Teaches you to give in to the rhythm of life. It represents the soul as well as your creativity, emotions, intuitions, and dreams. Is the swan. All right, let's do the next amazing animal spirit. And it would be the beautiful hawk. Symbolism is healing, vision, rebirth, spirituality, love, peace, intelligence, independence, adaptability, beauty, spiritual clairvoyance, awareness, and courage. Is the hawk. This is the stone I picked for the hawk. There are many species of hawk, each with its own legend and associated folklore. The bird has symbolized healing, freedom, vision, and rebirth. In Egyptian mythology, Isis, the goddess of abundance and fertility, assumes the shape of a hawk as she gives birth to her son Horus, who then passes and is reborn. She also becomes a hawk to join her husband, Osiris, in the underworld. Native America associate the hawk with the potent magic and use its feather in healing rituals and ceremonies to bring rain. Powerful hawk. All right, let's read the additional meaning for the hawk. Hawk meaning is the missing key you might need if you truly want to learn how to move in harmony with other humans. Hawk teaches you how to go with the flow and free yourself from mental blocks. All right, our next powerful animal spirit is the crow. So we had the raven and the crow and a hawk and swan. All those are birds. Type of birds. All right, so this is the crow. I love reading this one too. The crow's symbolism is renewal, transformation, magic, abundance, spiritual protection, and change. Love this stone. This is a Stonehenge stone. It's the only stone I feel so much energy and off of. Alright, like the raven, with which is often symbolized, the crow wields powerful magic. In Native American myth, the crow restores order to the heaven. A scenic belief links to the crow to abundance and prosperity. One legend tells of a white crow that warns the buffaloes every time hunters approach. This leads to hunger, and the crow is eventually captured by the hunters and thrown into the fire. But it escapes before completely burned, emerging only blackened by the flames. Black becomes his permanent color as the crow flees. It promised never to warn the buffaloes approaching the hunters again. The crow is a kind of phoenix that rises from the ashes, symbolizing renewal, transformation, and promise of abundance. All right, let's do additional meaning for the crow. Crow refers to a spiritual or emotional change. These intelligent birds gives us valuable insights into situations around us and helps us adapt as needed. Crows grant access to insight and understanding beyond to the reach of the national mind. Magic allows us to appreciate the mystery of magic and cultivate a sense of curiosity about the unknown. By heeding the crow's wisdom and guidance, we open ourselves to the joy of discovery both within ourselves and in the world around us. Powerful crow. All right, we're already there. This seems so quick. I love doing readings. All right, the next one here is the dog. Next beautiful animal spirit. Now, this one is a wonderful example of how she puts these paintings within other pictures. is the dog. A whole bunch of different pictures in with the picture. So the dog symbolism is devotions, protection, service, strength, love, friendship, loyal, wisdom, healing, and abundance is a symbolism for the dog. This is the stone I picked for the dog. Dogs have been the domesticated companions and servants of humans. They have also frequently benefit of the master or group. Northwest Native American myth described dogs carrying out various tasks for glory of their masters. And that is it on the back of this card. And now I have additional meaning, which I have it in a different pages here now. We'll read the additional meaning for the dog. All right, many believe that dogs have souls will reunite with their humans in the afterlife. Egyptians worship the dog Osiris because its position in the sky predicted the flooding of the Nile. This marked of the New Year's, dogs have psychic visions and see ghosts. They use this ability to protect their owners. In Asia culture, dogs, symbol of good luck and of course protection. That is it for the animal spirits. Wow. All right, we're going to go over all the symbolism of the animal spirits. Then the ones that repeat it the most, I read at the end. Then we have angel numbers. So let's get started on that. We'll go over all their symbolisms. All right, the leopard symbolism was stealth, strength, purity, power, courage, and determination. The raven was creation's magic, illuminated strength, protection, wisdom, transformation, love, peace, and spirituality. The goat was caprice, mischief, sexuality, fertility, and focus. The snake, transformation, healing, sexuality, rebirth, and strength. The swan, transformation, beauty, healing, and wisdom. The hawk, healing, vision, rebirth, spirituality, love, peace, intelligent, independent, adaptability, beauty, spiritual, clairvoyance, awareness, and courage. The crow, renewal, transformation, magic, abundance, spiritual protection, and change. The dog, devotion, protection, service, strength, love, friendship, loyal, wisdom, healing, and abundance. So the ones that repeat it the most were strength, transformation, sexuality, healing, wisdom, rebirth, spirituality, courage, beauty, spiritual protection, abundance, love, and peace. And your angel numbers for the reading is 4, 4, and 11, 11. That is it for your angel numbers. 4, 4, and 11, 11. So thank you, brothers and sisters, for joining. Have a beautiful, blissful day or night wherever you are. Sprinkle some beautiful stardust, and bye for now.